Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking dense, slightly stale bread because it soaks without collapsing. That creates texture. Mix 3 eggs with 1/2 cup milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 tsp vanilla. Whisk until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon melted butter into the batter. This helps fry and crisp the exterior. Once mixed, dip each one. 5-inch slice quickly. 3-4 seconds per side for day-old brioche, longer for very stale. Make sure slices are saturated, but not falling. You want a hot, stable surface. Cast iron or heavy skillet holds heat and produces a crunchy crust. Preheat to medium-high so the pan surface approaches about 350 degrees. That temperature sears without overcooking inside. Add 1 tablespoon butter plus 1 tablespoon neutral oil. Butter flavors, oil raises smoke point. Once sizzling, place slices and cook 2-3 minutes per side until deeply golden. Press gently with a spatula to ensure full contact. Once done, transfer to a rack. You finish by keeping cooked slices on a wire rack set in a 200 degrees oven so air circulates and prevents sogginess. If pieces go limp, troubleshoot. Raise pan heat slightly, shorten soak time, and blot excess batter from edges before frying. These steps reduce trapped moisture. For an extra crunchy edge, lightly press fine panko onto the surface before frying or give a 30-60 second broil at the end. Make sure to watch closely so you achieve crispness without burning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.